Hi everyone, this is your Project 1 example. So what we're basically building is a GIF app that you can search for a GIF, and when you search, it's going to do a couple things. So when I click submit or hit enter, we're going to get some GIFs and display them to the page in kind of an even manner. It's not too crazy, but it is in our grid system here, so you can see that everything kind of lines up with these gutters. So number of things to point out here. So one, you notice this button popped up, and that's going to be important. So let's do a couple more searches. Dogs. Cool. So some important things to note here. Every time you search, a button's appearing. And if we go back and click one of these buttons, it's going to do a search for those GIFs and render them to the page. Not only that, but if we refresh the page, those buttons persist. You probably noticed too that this doesn't look half bad. There's a little bar at the top here. The form looks kind of nice. So everything is powered by Bootstrap. So your project is to essentially build something like this. You're going to be using Bootstrap, and you'll be using all the pieces of what we've learned up to this point to build this project. You got local storage, APIs. Now, one thing I want to point out, you're going to need to get an API key to run this app. And once you're done with the app, I do not want you to commit that API key. What I mean by that is you're obviously going to want to use it in your code to make sure it works, but when you're done, delete your API key and then commit and push it. When I actually go to grade it, I'll use my own API key to use it. That's a good practice because we don't want to expose API keys on public repos. So good luck. It'll be kind of a challenging project, but I'm sure you were up to the task. Thank you so much.